Hey David, Senator Takamura. I have my whole engine collection. My 484 Union Pacific, my 060 Christmas locomotive, because you can tell if it's Christmas because it's running silver and red and silver, red and green and silver. AC44 AC Mac, GP38-9, 060-8, GP40, GP48. They're basically the exact same thing. -8s. They're both -8s. And my my little Santa Fe switcher. And my 440 Union Pacific train. Just a little locomotive right there. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share. And bye.